beautiful people, and welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. If today is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. We are happy, we are so delighted to have you here. Welcome to Joyton, and I do hope you will enjoy your stay here today. And we can never take your love for granted, okay? You are amazing. And on this channel, we'll be bringing you latest news and gist. And if you like to be family, no problem. Just go ahead and click on that red button down below and turn on the bell for notifications so you'll be notified anytime we upload new videos. And in this particular video, I am going to be watching with you. So with that being said, let's get into the video.
Mazi, good morning, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, Sefe, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
Are you live already?
Yes, I'm live already.
Okay.
So Mazi, I want to explain to Biafrans how I met these people and then my encounter with them. Then after then we can start what we are supposed to do. So let me just give me some few minutes to explain to them. Yes. So I thank Ogenolise Chukwokike Abiama Basitamuno for a very great day like this. Wonderful time like this, for giving every one of us energy and strength when we say we thought they reach this level where we did today, and with the pray may continue to increase us in all ramification, make it cover our supreme leader Nnamdi Kanu for the hands of the camp of enemy when we say in day today, make him bring them back successfully to us, and may continue to give Biafrans all over the world when they give us those of us when they for social media they do broadcast, they give us word of encouragement. They comment, they help us, they share our broadcasts so that the message they go viral. Those of them when they broadcast on radio Biafra television, and many others when we say that they work tirelessly to make sure say Biafra is restored. We say may Ogenolise Chukwu Okike Abiama Obasitamuno make him alone cause see us through this very moment. Now this one many more now ask Ogenolise make it do for us the children of Biafra. He said. So thank every Biafrans all over the world. A lot of things already happen for a very, very long time. And then I did very, very sure say so many of us go not kind of disappointed about the things wey don't happen, and the roles then will be say I don't play. The role then will be say me don't play. But I won't let una know say I know they regret them. But I won't explain to una due to the way this lady they back yesterday. Whether Nelly said that they call her, I go find a give her because I don't want to be mentioning that her name. I don't want to mention that her name again. So I look for name give her, just like daughters of Jezebel don't stick to them. I look for a name and give to Nelly. So now, so I tell you, my people, Collins Kendo, please, any this thing, any bad comments, Collins Kendo, remove it, block the person. Don't just remove the person, block the person. Anybody where they put red, they trace the person, block him. Collins Kendo, please do that for me, thank you. So, now so I must start from where how the whole thing starts about. So when I day here, that time I was supreme leader sit there outside. I just there one day, one of them for the group of the people when we say that they fight IPOB today, because some of us never understand say na IPOB now they can't destroy or na IPOB now that they fight. Now they call me. As they call me, they start to talk. They first start with Nnamdi matter based on say that time when Judge Onibete come out. To follow what did they call her Ushemefo come out. I call the tell because Judge Onibe tell me say me and Judge Onibe talk. He talk many things about Nnamdi. So because they tell Biafrans and Mazina the Kanu that time, and they say Mazi, listen to me what I'm saying. Say Nnamdi say he not there with us. Say the reason why Nnamdi there with us say na because of position of money. When we say she dey now making Nnamdi there with us. So I call the shot. So that opportunity now the court call me. One of the court call me. As one of the call me for inside the group, when we say that date or the one that they fight IPOB, now I come to the tell me say the reason why they call me, they say me they see where say me get deep eye. Say for me to know say Nnamdi na bad person or Nnamdi know they work for Biafra struggle very well. Say me they see. Now me come to the then the me and the come to the communicate from there. Now the relationship they start. So when the relationship can start from there now, they can start to they call each other. They will call me, me too, I will call them. They will call me, me too, I will call them. So when something they go on, they will call me, me too, I will call them. So me now, for my hope, be say there be genuine people, there be good people. So it gets a kind of thing where be say it go happen when they go don't go discuss with our leader. They don't go discuss with our leader. This thing when they talk, so Madainde Nayanya go know what they talk. So say this group of people and her, they don't they battle for inside body, and there are a lot of things when we say they don't present to leader concerning Madainde Nayanya. When our leader they debunk, our leader they get angry with them to the extent that say they come meet me say our leader say in Nayanya don't use Ghana juju te all our leader. So anything when our leader they talk, anything when Naya talk, now our leader go they follow. Say make us continue to the shadow. Say our leader need to hear about in Naya. So after we call the discuss, after how many months, after how many months, now cause he say prophet, igbo prophets call come outside. That igbo prophet come outside, call do one video, call they talk about secretary, talk about all those things, and all those things. Me and the doctor discuss am for behind everything when prophet talk, when he talk say na vision when he see. Me and them we don't discuss am for behind. Say now wetin dey happen be this one. Say they bring a secretary call, make they tell lawyer our leader. Say they don't when our leader go for their house. Say they use Ghana juju put for our leader food. Say our leader not get himself again. Say anything when they talk. Now our leader they listen to. Say our leader can never listen to anybody. Say we need to fight to restore our leader back. So after that period of time, now like 2 or 3 days when me and they get that discussion, now Master Prophet bust out with video. As I said the video I shock. As I said the video I shock. Why our leader not react concerning that video? Because our leader know this thing when they talk so. I pray and I wish and I believe say our supreme leader Nnamdi Kanu will come out successfully come meet us. He go see use him mouth analyze all these things, and I believe say he get a lot of people when he go expect, not be say suspend, when he go expect come up for IPOB. So after how many days, now the prophet come bust out boy with that video. As I see that video, I shock. I say how this prophet come? I can't know say for my mind I can't say these people don't see call this. Come Gwaka reach these people, this man place. The way the prophet come to the talk, he call you the talk like say na serious thing now, as in na true now. What thing really they see for vision. If you be very smart person and intelligent person, you go know say those information when those things when that man they talk, it not be waiting in see for vision. You go know say now somebody sit down analyze all those things, give her for ear or go about her, and he was paid for it. He got prophet, they pay him for that audio, that video when they do, they criticize all those things. And all those things when they call they prepare every one of us, when we call they talk for media. Now, a time like this, when they want to kidnap our supreme leader, because to me now, from what I don't discuss with these people and everything when we say I don't gather, my mind comes out of the refresh back. The number one suspect of anybody when we go think say it get anything to do with our leader now Nelly and their group for my own gathering, for my own everything when I don't gather so far.
Somebody told me that my voice is echoing. I don't know.
No, it's not echoing to me here. I don't know. Maybe from there.
Because it's echoing to me, but that is by the way. If from the comment section, people can confirm if my voice is echoing, then let me see if I can find a solution to it. But
okay. Go ahead.
Yeah. So there is a point you are raising here. Yes. Yeah, because I know that the Igbo prophet said something about Nnamdi and the secretary.
Yes.
That they were about to do something funny.
Yes.
And in a short period of time, our leader was kidnapped in Kenya.
Yes.
So was it a kind of preparing the mind of Biafra with that prophecy of what is about to come according to your own understanding of the
that thing wey prophet dey talk mean they don't discuss am, and they don already arrange how our supreme leader will be captured and the narrative wey dem wan put for public. You understand? The narrative wey dem wan put for public, so that if the thing happen, dem come to say yes, igbo prophet says so.
Sorry if there was an interruption on my line.
Emeka James, you don't belong here. Let me block you. Mazi, go ahead.
Yeah, so let me just step out a bit because you are no longer I can no longer hear you loud. So I will just step out a bit and return back.
Okay.
Okay, just a moment, please.
Okay. So these people, Collins, please, if there is any comment that is, if they insult me, no problem, but if any comment say go and carry your DOS, your DOS is useless, remove them. I don't want to see all those comments because I didn't like that they are the best. Remove them. I don't want to see them, all those people. So if I tell una who pay prophet, una go shock. If I tell una who they pay all these people, una go shock. The reason why I never want to call that person name, say the person see they inside IPOB, and now only Nelly they don't expect yet. The person see they inside IPOB and the whole IPOB property. So that is why I want to keep quiet. Make our whole case not cause it be like in your own. Now make I want just keep quiet. I don't want to mention her name. The person when pay ego prophets, I know her, and the people when I connect and number give, when I connect her give. You are even broadcast and everything. They know the person when they talk to, and he said now she shared the video of ego prophet. The first time when the video boss, and now she share and give everybody to confirm say what she they talk say na truth. So my people, that period of time, okay, I will send you the link. Don't worry, Uzo anyway, I will send you the link. Okay, so.
I don't know if I'm live, guys. Okay, I think I'm here. Okay, I think I'm here.
Yeah.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. But I don't understand.
Okay, sorry, it's network, so I have to switch over to a more better system. Sorry for the inconveniences. Sorry, our viewers.
Yeah. So I was talking about how we were contacted, including ego prophet.
Okay.
Yes. So after that time, they started spreading, before our leader was kidnapped, they started spreading different rumors about what will happen to our leader, how they have planned it, that they are the one protecting, guiding our supreme leader, for him not to be captured, for anything not to happen to him. So to me, I believed what they were saying. That is true, that they were the one that was, as in, kind of, that are more that care about our supreme leader well-being, you understand, than what they were. So whatever information they were giving to me, that maybe, for example, they say maybe a member of a DOS did something, that would, maybe that information is given to me, I will come outside the social media, I will start fighting the person. I will start to fight the person. So they were preparing the minds of the Biafrans for a day like this. All those information that we were all dishing out, they were preparing it, and they also prepare it to the extent that say, if by the time I will not regain myself and go back, I must have gone far, that even when whatever I'm saying, that Biafra will not believe what I'm saying. I mean, the manner how as in how they don't make me, you know, when you they talk something when you be saying not true, your facial expression and your body language, because to you are saying the truth. To you want to save our leader. To you are fighting for the interest of Biafra. So I was saying it with everything when they inside me. So the strategy say include that one. Say after I don't talk all those things, even if I won't go back, it go be very difficult for me. But when I discover, say now as in now wetin dey go on be this one. I no hesitate, I no reason wetin people want talk, I no reason even some of our my co-broadcaster go talk say hey hand don meet and those kind of thing. I no reason, I just want to do the right thing. That is why I summon courage to take this step. So before that time, they call me. As they call me, they contact me and they tell me say, Efe, there is something we want to put in your possession and give the thing that thing na money. Efe, there is money we want to put in your possession, that money you give to so person, you give to so person. See among the people who want this, una go share the money among una self. I can say okay. So that money was truly sent to me, and I share am within the people, the names of the people wey be say that money.
They give you when you share the money to.
Yes, they give me the money, make I share and give as in among ourselves. I no wan mention anybody name yet. Amongst ourselves. So the money enter my account. I can share the money within ourselves. So the people wey be say the money go to, so now majority na people from the coastal region. Now the money go to, majority of the money goes to the people from the coastal region. So
but you no share give, if you no share give me o.
They don't mention your name now. They don't mention your name. They don't mention your name. They don't mention your name. So they can't share. I can't share the money give them like that. So then after that time, if not be the information where they go give me, not me they go give another person. So they call they play mind games with us. You understand? They call they play mind games with us. But the person where they really give the kind of information. Now me that they give the kind of information because they know say I dedicate my full time for Biafra struggle because of my status of everything now. I dedicate my full time for Biafra struggle.
But so I want to ask you a question, no vex, because I know you get so many things where you want to, but it good when we take a piece by piece. And you know me that person say I would like to explain something like a teacher. With calmness, in a way where we say people follow up, get details. Because every detail is very important. So that people will not misunderstand you or miss the point because maybe you are being too fast or whatever. Now, when this money, when they transfer and put for your account, they tell you the purpose of the money.
No.
They don't tell you. They just say share this money among.
Yes, they don't tell me the purpose. They say we do a good job.
Okay, now, but the people who they say make you share this money, are they, all of them there for media, they do the work of Biafra?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so the essence of this money is like to encourage people that are in the media, from your own understanding as at that time.
Yes.
So go ahead.
Yes. So when they came and on that process for them to confirm that I really gave these people the money and I sent and I gave their number, the number of those people and I gave it to them. So through there they started communicating with those people. So they were forwarding information to them and also forwarding information to me.
People are saying that I'm not coming clear. I don't know.
Okay, guys, so that'll be all from us today, and we do hope to see you in our next one. And if you are not subscribed and you like the channel, go ahead and subscribe, okay? And turn on the bell for notifications so you'll be notified anytime we upload new videos. And if there's anything you would like us to know or any kind of suggestion you have for us, feel free and drop it at the comment section and we will get back to you. Until next time, bye for now.